Hey guys, it's Nick Campbell with Vans RV Center, South Windsor, Connecticut here. Just wanted to cordially invite you guys down to our February open house. It's going to be February 2nd through the 4th at 417 John Fitch Boulevard, Route 5 in South Windsor here. Really exciting stuff here. We're going to have over 200 new Jaycos on site for you to look at, plus over 75 used trailers to look at too, ranging from pop-ups up to used motorhomes here. It's the third year we've done this event, and it's a big event for the dealership, mainly because of our price, but we've also got some really good promotions going on. Your choice of a free TV with purchase or no payments till April. And if you need us to store it, free storage till spring too. But we want you guys to come down to the dealership here. The weather should be fantastic. Super Bowl weekend here. So we've got Super Bowl size savings for everyone here. And we want to see you guys at Vans RV Center. Again, it's February 2nd through the 4th. And we'd love you guys to come down and shop Vans RV or the web, vansrv.com. Thanks.